Hi, this is Eric Martin with Board Game Geek. I'm here with Gilles Doré from Mesa Board Games, and we're looking at a prototype right now of Viral. So not necessarily final artwork or components or anything, but you can give us an overview of the game and tell us what we're doing here. Are we infecting someone, or are we preventing infection, or how does this work?
Okay, this is our game for 2017. The game is called Viral, and each player is a virus who tries to make some crisis in each organ, or to control some area, some zones.
Right.
Okay, so a player, each player we have his own color, his own tiles. Okay, and he has some
organ cards.
Organ cards.
Yes.
Okay, in this time, the game will have these 8 phases in each round, and phase 1, each player will choose one organ and one action. Okay, and place it like this. All the players at the same time. Okay, so no downtime. The downtime is for everyone at the same time, or analyzes, paralyzes at the same time for everybody.
Phase 2.
So then all the players at the same time reveal the cards in number 1 and show what they can do. Normally the basic actions are to infect, is just to pick a virus and place it in an area that is showing in here, or to move. For example, this one is a shield. It means that I can shield this virus. Okay. Also, one of the basic actions is to move. You have to follow the streams of the veins here, and so you cannot go against the stream.
The current there, yes.
Okay. So after all the players have played, we go to phase 2, and we will see in each zone or each organ which is the player who controls that zone. And he gains points, victory points, depending of the tile that is present here. Okay, and he also go up level in the level of the research table. Okay. The next phase, a player will resolve an event card. Event cards that show problems or things, or for example, number 1, if all the viruses that are in the renibus will go out. It's the number 1, for example. And the next one is when there are at least 4 viruses inside of organ. Okay, we place a collapse. We call it collapse token, but we'll change the name. Collapse token. What it means?
Failure token.
Yeah,
almost.
It's a failure token. If there are at least, for example, 4, okay, it's a failure token. Then we resolve it. The player with the majority will win 2 points, and all other players win 1 point. But the thing is here is the antivirus will change for the color who had majority. Okay. For example, in this case, orange. So in the next collapse, in the next crisis, okay, all the orange virus are out, and that doesn't score nothing. Okay. And the next one is just a tiebreaker table. We place the colors accordingly to the order in here, and it means that a player with many points always lose in tie-break actions, and the player with less points always wins in tiebreakers. The next one, we reveal a new card, a new action card, and this one here is the cure. If any player is, for example, is in here, in the top of the research table, all his viruses are out of the board, and he receives back again for his hand all the virus. Okay,
but is that good? Bad?
Could be good, could be bad, depend of your strategy. But also you receive a special card. Those cards in here are different actions,
which are going to strengthen the power of what you can do.
Basically, is the part of deck building of this game. So you have special powers in here in those cards, and also cards that can give you additional victory points at the end of the game. Okay, so it's a good thing also. And then also the cards that we are using go to the timer, so we cannot use it in the next turn. Okay, and then change first player, and all the players start again.
Okay.
So and this lasts 6 rounds. We place here only 6 cards, and the player with most points and wins the game. Of course, during the game, players will win additional special power cards that could improve his end of cards.
Okay.
And that's it.
All right. That's pretty interesting. That's yes, area control for somebody.
Yeah, inside, but nobody dies in here.
Okay.
And it's an approach of a cartoon thing. Here it's more the fun of controlling an area in a Euro style, because there are no dice, no luck involved.
Right.
You want to just control each area and to see what is the best the best time to make a collapse or an organ crisis.
Okay. All right. Thanks for the overview, Gilles. That is interesting look here. Something for 2017 from Mesa Board Games. Thanks for the overview.
Okay.